Have you ever popped last night's dinner into the microwave and thought, it's just easier this way? Well, if you're over 60, that seemingly innocent habit could be doing more harm than good. Many older adults try to eat healthily, cook in batches, and avoid wasting food. But what if the way we reheat certain leftovers is actually sabotaging our health and energy? Today, we're diving into a surprising topic that doesn't get enough attention: the hidden dangers of reheating certain foods, especially for seniors. If you've ever felt bloated, numbed, or just off after a reheated meal, there might be a reason. Stick around, because we're not just pointing fingers, we're giving you practical, science-backed solutions and safer alternatives. You deserve to feel your best every day, and this simple change might make a bigger difference than you think. So, what's this video really about? Well, our goal is to uncover 3 common foods that many older adults reheat regularly, without knowing that doing so could reduce their nutritional value or even make them harder to digest. We'll explore why these foods are tricky, what happens when you reheat them, and what to do instead. You'll walk away knowing exactly how to handle your leftovers in a way that supports healthy aging and better digestion. Let's jump into the first one. This might be something in your fridge right now. Food number 1, leafy greens, like spinach, kale, and beet greens. You might think greens are the ultimate healthy food, and they are, when fresh or lightly cooked. But here's the mini hook. Did you know reheating spinach in the microwave could change the way your body absorbs it? Spinach contains natural nitrates, which are beneficial when eaten raw or freshly cooked. However, some studies suggest that reheating can cause those nitrates to convert into nitrites. And while the occasional exposure isn't harmful, regular reheating may lead to the accumulation of compounds that aren't ideal for aging bodies. According to the European Food Safety Authority, nitrites in high amounts may contribute to oxidative stress. For older adults trying to support cognitive function and heart health, it's best to eat greens fresh, steamed once, or added cold to a smoothie or salad. Instead of reheating, try chopping leftover cooked spinach into an omelette or blending it into a soup at the end, after you've removed it from heat. Food number 2, eggs, scrambled, boiled, or in dishes like quiche. Here's a familiar scenario. You made extra scrambled eggs for breakfast. Can you just warm them up tomorrow? While eggs are rich in protein and essential nutrients like choline, reheating them, especially in the microwave, can alter their structure. Some sources, including the USDA, caution that reheated eggs can become rubbery, harder to digest, and may lose part of their antioxidant capacity. More importantly, improperly stored or reheated eggs can support bacterial growth, especially if left out too long before refrigerating. For seniors, whose immune systems may be more vulnerable, this raises a small but real risk. Instead, cook eggs fresh in small portions, or enjoy boiled eggs cold with a sprinkle of sea salt and olive oil. They make a great snack or a topping for a salad. No microwave required. Food number 3, rice. Yes, plain rice can be tricky too. You probably didn't expect rice to be on this list. Reheating rice the wrong way can pose a surprising issue. According to the UK's NHS and the FDA, rice can harbour a bacteria called Bacillus cereus. This bacteria forms heat-resistant spores that can survive cooking. If rice is cooled too slowly or left at room temperature, the spores can multiply. Even reheating might not destroy the toxins they produce, which may lead to mild foodborne illness. For seniors, that's more than just an inconvenience. It could mean dehydration or digestive upset. To stay safe, cool rice quickly after cooking and store it in the fridge within 1 hour. When reheating, make sure it's piping hot all the way through. Better yet, try using leftover rice in cold salads, or stir it into soups as you heat the broth. Why does this matter more for older adults? As we age, our digestion naturally slows down, and our immune system becomes less efficient. That means food safety and nutrient retention become even more important. What might just cause a bit of discomfort in a younger person could mean fatigue, gut issues, or worse for someone over 60. This isn't about being afraid of food, it's about being smart with it. By understanding how certain foods react to reheating, you can make simple adjustments that support your energy, muscle health, and immunity. And no, you don't have to give up your favorite meals. Just learn when to eat them fresh and when to repurpose them differently. So, what should you do instead? Here's a quick guide. Cook in smaller batches, especially with foods like eggs or leafy greens. Use leftovers creatively. Add cold rice to salads, turn cooked spinach into pesto, or eat hard-boiled eggs as is. If you must reheat, use the stove and ensure even, gentle heating. Avoid microwaving delicate foods when possible. Always cool and store leftovers within 1 hour of cooking. Don't let them sit at room temperature. Let's recap the key takeaways. First, not all leftovers are created equal. Spinach, eggs, and rice each have specific concerns when reheated. Second, seniors should be extra mindful of how they handle and store food due to changes in digestion and immune strength. And third, a few small changes, like how you reheat or repurpose leftovers, can go a long way in supporting your energy and overall health. Just think about how many meals you eat every week. Now imagine that just handling a few of them differently could help you feel better, more energized, and safer. It's a simple but powerful shift. If this video helped you learn something new, we'd love to hear from you. What foods do you reheat most often? Have you noticed any changes when eating leftovers? If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe for more practical health tips for older adults, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful insight. Because staying healthy isn't just about what you eat, it's about how you prepare, store, and enjoy it. Small steps, smart choices. That's how we support healthy aging, one meal at a time.